how to turn a low quality photo into a high quality photo. So I'll show you two methods on how to do this, and this will depend on the quality of your photo. So the first method is if your quality isn't already too bad, you can head over to a search engine and type in Canva, and you can go and open this website here, which is canva.com. Now you may need to create a free account. You can then click on the create button, and you'll just need to go and create a new document. Now, once you have a document created like this, on the left-hand side, select Uploads. You can then press Upload Files, and you'll need to upload the photo that you want to change into high quality. Once your photo's been uploaded, you'll see it in this left-hand side, and you can go and drag it to the timeline like this. Now, you can go and resize it if it's slightly too small. And in order to make this higher quality, just click on the Edit button, and then click on Upscale, and this will automatically apply adjustments to improve the quality of the image. Now, if this isn't working for you, there is one more method as well. So you'll need to go and open up the website, chatgpt.com. Once you're signed into an account, click on the plus icon. Click on Photos, and you need to go and upload the photo that we have saved on our PC. Now, once your photo is uploaded, you can just type in "make this photo higher quality" without changing the photo and press enter. Now give that a few seconds while it improves the quality of this image. Once it's finished with the edits, you can just click on the download button on the new image, and this will download the updated version onto your computer.